Lefty and Scoop, Robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck.
Leo!
Leo the Truck. This is the amusement park. Shall we see what the friends are up to? The red robot is bringing his friends ice cream. 3 cones, enough for everybody. Thank you, robot. Scoop and Leo are riding the ghost train. And Lefty is watching the Ferris wheel.
We're having fun at the park.
It's a spectacular day.
Time to go home. The park's closing soon.
Yeah, come on.
Robots, time to go home.
It'll be night soon. Take a look.
There are stars appearing in the sky.
Oh, wow, that's cool. It would be nice to see them a little closer.
What if we put together a telescope?
Yes! Let's take a look at the stars.
What do you mean, stars? It's time for bed.
Okay, then we'll make it in the morning.
Hooray! We'll meet at the farm in the morning.
A wonderful idea. Everyone needs their sleep to gather their strength. The night passed quickly.
Hello.
We've brought the parts.
I'm cleaning up the area now.
Scoop is clearing away the leaves. What have the robots come up with?
Hey! What sort of a mess are you making?
The robots finished their telescope first.
That's amazing!
Robots, you put together a toy telescope using cardboard.
We definitely won't be able to see the moon and stars.
There should be lenses or mirrors in the telescope. Lenses or mirrors collect light. Here, take a look.
That's how a real telescope looks. It has an optical tube that magnifies an image and a tripod that holds the telescope in place. Oh, the cardboard tripod isn't very sturdy.
Well then, I'll have to clean up again, I guess.
We'll start putting it together.
First, let's put together the tripod. Next, connect the 3 legs. Then, a mobile mount so the telescope can move side to side, up and down. A joint for the counterbalance and the counterbalance. Some heavy yellow blocks. The frame for the telescope's tube. We've also got to put the tube in. It's the biggest part. Let's attach the lens to it. A joint for the finder scope. The finder scope. It helps astronomers to aim the telescope and point it at very small objects in the sky.
And the eyepiece?
No, robot. A cardboard one won't do.
Here's the eyepiece.
Thank you, Scoop. It's ready.
Yes! Robots, it's still very bright. You won't see anything.
Oh, the picture in the telescope is upside down. That means the telescope can't be used to look at things with the special eyepiece. Look, Lea. All the cars are upside down.
Let's tidy up this mess for now.
They need to get the old cardboard and throw it away in one of the rubbish bins.
Come look! Come look!
Scoops noticed the first star in the sky. What do you see, robots?
Pretty please, can I have a go? Oh, wow! It's beautiful! Scoop, do you want to take a look? Uh-huh. I want something to eat, too. Who wants one?
Look at that!
It's the moon!
Imagine flying there.
You'd have to build a big rocket.
That's a great idea. That's our new project. Tomorrow morning, we'll build a rocket.
It's decided, but it's already late now. Time to get some rest.